Now we're going to go to some more words for block 2. Some more sight words. Now this first word, it's I. So I can walk my dog. And it sounds just like the letter name, because we call this the letter I, but it's also a word, I, when you're talking about yourself. I can walk my dog. This next word is part of the ill word family. Ill, will. Very good. I will walk my dog. This word's going to sound a little different from how it sounds out. So if we were sounding it out, we would say Al, like the person's name, Al. But it also makes another sound, all. So let's just memorize this when we see 2 L's here with the letter A, all. And we're going to make 3 words over here with this all word family. So we have all, wall, all, fall, all, tall. Very good. So these 3 are made with the all word family, all. Good job. And those are all our sight words for block 2. Now in the next part, I'm going to write some sounds, words, and little sentences. And you can read them. So I'll write them, you read them. So let's try a few. You ready? How about, what sound would you make for this letter? Did you say F? Good job. How about this letter? L. Good job. How about this letter? W. And how about this word? It. Very good. How about this word family? M. And how about one more word family? I wrote that backwards. Ip. Very good. So let's make a few words with our it word family. So how about this word? Can you read that? Fit. Good job. And how about, did you say lit? Good job. How about, can you read that word? Pretend word. Wit. Very good. And we have one more with it. How about this one? Did you say hit? Very good. Now let's do our next word family. How about our M word family? So let's start with, can you read this one? Very, very good. Fem, that's a pretend word. And how about this one? Did you say limb? Good job. And what about this one? Whim, very good. We'll do one more with the M word family. How about him? Excellent job, very good. Now let's do some ip. So we'll erase our M's and we'll start making some words with our ip word family. So how about our first one? Okay, we have ip, fip. Very good. And now how about this one? Did you say lip? Good job. Lip. And try this one. Can you read that one? Whip. Whip. Very good. We'll try one more. Can you read this one? Hip. Hip. Excellent job. Now let's try, we'll erase those, and we'll try a new word family. How about let's try, this will be an easy one. What's that? Very good. At. Let's make some words with at. We have this word. Can you read that? Fat. Very good. And how about can you read this one? Pat. Very good. I can pat my dog. Pat. How about let's try a h sound. Now what do we have? Good job. Hat. Hat. Now what if we change this ending? Let's do this ending. And let's just erase these. Okay? And add our m. Now, can you read this one? Am, fam. Am, Pam. Am, ham. Very good. Good job. What if we take our f sound and bring it down? And we have fam. Fam. Good. Let's try our. And we have lamb. Lamb. Very good. And we'll move it and take our w. And we have wham. Wham. So wham, fam, Pam, and ham. They all rhyme, don't they? Because they all have the am word family. Very good. Good reading. Okay, let's do a few more word families. Let's do it, ip, and app. We'll make a few words with them. You ready? Let's take it first. And up. Let's bring up our f. And now we have it, fit. Very good. And let's get rid of our f and take our s. And now we have it, sit. Excellent. Let's take our s and bring up our h. And we have it, hit. Very good. And now let's try our p. And we have p, it, pit. Very good. Now let's take our m, bring that up, and we have m, it, mit. Good job. Now let's take our it word family and bring down our ip. And now we have m, ip, mip. Very good. And if we change this to ip, fip. And if we change our sounds, now we have sip. Very good. Now if we take our we have hip. Good job. And if we take our p, we have pip. Very good. Now let's change our ip to app. And we have pap, pap. Now if we take this one, we have fap. Good job. And if we take our S, we have sap. Very good. Now, if we take our we have hap, hap. Very good. We have one more to try. How about this one? Now we have map. Very good. Good job. Okay, good reading. Now let's try a few sentences, just using words we practiced in Block 2. So we have 3 sentences here, but you should know all these sounds. And some of these are sight words that we learned in this block. Okay, so let's practice. You ready? You read it first, and then I'll read it after you, and you can compare. Okay, let's go. You go first. Okay, good reading. Did you say, I will sit? Good job. How about this one? Did you say, I did sit? Very good. Good reading. How about this sentence now? Very good. Did you say, Pam hit Sam? Good reading. Good reading. Do you notice the capital P and the capital S? Because there's someone's name. Very good. Okay, try these next sentences. You first. Good reading. I am Pat. And the big P for a person's name, Pat. Okay, good reading. How about this one? Very good. It is a map. Very good. Okay, how about you? Did you say Sam will sit too? Very good. Good reading. We have one more sentence. This is a long one. So you go first. I will sit at the hill. Very good. Good reading.